Yeah, so today I'm going to start, sorry, I'm going to guide you which channels, which resources online you should follow so that you can excel or can make your concepts clear for whatever exams you're preparing at the 10 plus 2 level. Whether it is JEE Advanced, ISER aptitude test, KVPY is banned, so not talking about KVPY. You should focus on ISER aptitude test because when I after the year that I gave the exam, yes, I gave the exam in 2021, and from 2022 onwards, I have heard that IISc Bangalore is also taking admissions through ISER aptitude test. So you can focus on that. But I suggest you that concentrate all your energy for the preparation of a single exam. When I started my preparation, my focus was JEE Advanced because I have heard that it was the top five toughest exam in the world, fifth toughest exam in the world, and actually I have foreseen that if I do prepare for this exam, the preparation of West Bengal joint, JEE Mains, and other exams will follow immediately. So that is what. So without wasting further time, let's get started. So for first is Mohit Tagis's YouTube channel. You can easily search in the YouTube and get that. And here is how you, so the purpose of the video is how you should follow these channels. So first you should start from calculus and algebra. If you think that you have time and you want to deep into the basics of maths, you can start from basic mathematics or inequalities. Then you should go to functions, limits, continuity, differentiability, and you can follow these two parallel and follow this sequence, means from left to right. There are more playlists as such. So yeah, so this uh, most pe- I want to point out here one something. Most people what they think is that means some students have seen they focus all of their energy in the weak topics, but it should not be the case. In J Advance is not a game of means content, means how much more topics you have done, it does not necessarily help you. The depth with which you have covered all the topics help. So you can refer this. I will refer to that if your question practice is at a decent level, then go for the topics that are stronger to you, because that will make them even more strong or stronger. Don't catch my grammatical mistakes. I am not much fluent at talking in English. Okay, so this sequence you should follow. More focus should be given on calculus and algebra without underestimating the power of coordinate geometry and this part. This part why? Because I gave the J advance in 2021. At that time, many of these topics were not in syllabus, but now I think they have included these things in syllabus. This part is not required for you. Whoever are preparing for Olympiads need that. So yeah, so you have to focus on these four things: calculus, algebra, coordinate geometry, and trigonometry. Along with this, you should. I think I would suggest you that before going. Okay, leave that. That is for other video if you need that. So I don't know how physics is there because I personally did not use physics. For physics I used Ashish Sharda sir's YouTube channel. So in this whoever are starting their preparation can go for class this concept videos. For rest I would suggest that you go to revision checklist at the basics, means there are 28 and 27 lessons for 11 and 12. After in the checklist you will see have will cover the basics of many of the of all the topics. In whatever topic will feel that you are a bit uncomfortable, try try seeing the concept videos for that topics. If you open the playlist, like yeah, you can see the topics are written here. Even if you don't see the topic, then you can play one video and then can go, right? And yeah, this 11, 12, everything is given there in sequence. You can easily follow that. Yeah, and the specialty about Mohit Tagis's YouTube channel for chemistry is that uh, for chemistry, this these two things, physical chemistry and organic chemistry. In this physical chemistry section, there is inorganic chemistry as well, so don't be nervous about it. So in organic chemistry, the difference is required. In many standard coaching institutes, I have heard that the faculties are different for organic chemistry and physical chemistry. Even in institutes like in ISAs, when you study, there will be different faculties for each. Like in physics, also there are difference, but that is much more required in chemistry, because organic chemistry, a physical chemistry person can also teach you, but whoever he has done his master specifically in organic chemistry related topic can cover the things to much more depth. Like Neeraj Saini sir is the name of the sir who has taught organic chemistry, has covered the things to much depth. Like I would prefer that you start from organic reaction mechanism, ORM 1, 2, 3, 4, and the rest you can follow NCERT's sequence, or the sequence that is covered in your school. Don't expect that if you follow this parallelly with your school, then you can catch up. Don't mix the both things. This was the mistake that I have done in my preparation. Even though I was able to score 96.5%, but still for 0.5% I missed Inspire scholarship. So that still regrets me. But that's not the case for you. That should not be the case for you actually. Yeah, so and this physical chemistry also things are given in sequence. You are much more intelligent than me to find out the best sequence and best things for you. It is not that you should refer to each and every topic. I believe that whatever topics you think that you can make your basics more clear, you are much more interested in that topic, you can go to that lecture. And one more thing, notes making is important, because notes should not be the thing that each and everything the teacher is writing. But Mohit Tegi sir in one of his videos has, there are many ways of making notes actually. So notes, whenever if you want to copy each and everything of the teacher, try to see the videos at. Okay, one more thing. In Mohit Tagis's YouTube channel, he has said that he and all other teachers, means they say that they are maintaining a low speed so that most students, means whoever are weak, they can cover easily. But for you, you can increase the speed to 1.5 or 2x, and then you can refer the videos. I used to do the same thing, so that actually saved much time. The thing is that without pausing you have to see the videos, because whenever you can pause, if you think uh, that the rhythm has broken at some point, or your attention span had broken at some point, you should immediately pause the video, take a break, and then review your notes. Then you can rewind and see that part. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So I would not make this video long. So I have actually not stopped. If you see my channel, right? Yeah, the thing is that I had published this video 6 months ago, but I felt at some point seeing the low views that many few people could catch up, because I somewhere realized that many students have conceptual flaws in their, means they have taken coaching. Means when I had prepared actually, I was fully reliant on Mohit Tegi sir's and Physics Galaxy sir's YouTube channel, sorry, Ashish Shora sir's YouTube channel, and I have to know, I can guarantee you that I due to these two channels I was able to reach at Heiser Berhampur now, because these two channels have helped me much, specifically in the time of lockdown. These channels helped me much, means actually the thing is that don't get demotivated if you could not manage time initially things will be slightly off the mark, means whatever efforts you give, they will destructively interfere with each other. But initially if you keep on doing that, means You should take repeated feedbacks by yourself and apply it on you. Then you say that things are get becoming better gradually. So seeing these videos and the whole thing requires a hell lot of patience. Most students do not have this patience, therefore they've compromised on their conceptual clarity. I don't say that whoever has not seen these videos have conceptual flaws, but if you see the videos and if your concepts are clear, you can easily means in the keyboard whoever are watching in laptop can press L so that the videos is rewind means fast forwarded to 20 seconds or something, and you can easily see that if your concepts are clear, uh, you can skip this means don't skip any video, try to increase the speed or fast forward it so that you can at least get whatever things are done. And another thing in these videos, I think sir has taken a lot of examples and have solved many questions. So before solving the question, you can press the pause button if you think your concepts are clear, and then try the questions. If you get stuck in the question, you can see his solution. He has explained very beautifully everything. Then accordingly you can refer to the thing. So whoever are preparing for JEE, maths should be given the most importance, because mathematics will improve your rank, but chemistry will improve chemistry will give you seat in IIT. So don't underestimate chemistry as well. And physics is mostly favorite for most students, so see it, you will love it actually. So after doing these things, if you do it honestly with full diligence, and more than diligence, you need intelligence in this part, because when you will start solving the videos, you have to compromise a bit on everyday's question solving and everyday's other things. But if you manage the time efficiently, you can do that. Yeah, so I think I can close now. Okay, one thing that I would like to say that uh, I had stopped the question series because it requires a bit more time for me, and now actually in either with increasing time pressure increases. So I would say that don't expect me to share the question things much more. I hand over you to these two channels, but this channel will be open whenever I will get time. Like today I got some time, so I made this video. I will try to release some videos, or better I will try to. If you want, you can comment below this video. Uh, I have many friends who have also prepared for this exam. Many have many of the students got IIT but left that to come in ISERS. But I don't want that you do so. You go for IT at first. You prepare for IT fully. What I was saying, sorry because my speech is a bit unorganized. Yeah, so the bottom line is that start following these two channels. You can close this video right now if you don't have time. So other people who have a bit time, I want to say that this channel will be open whenever you have some doubt regarding any study strategy. You can actually comment. Whenever you will comment, a mail will come to YouTube. Actually, answering to comments require much lesser time than actually making videos. So you can comment me anytime at your leisure. So I will try my level best to answer them as quickly as possible. Just the thing is that keep patience. And yeah, so I end this video.